In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on pixel grid in Figma. For designers focused on meticulous detail, especially in UI design, Figma's pixel grid is an invaluable tool. It ensures your design elements align perfectly with the underlying pixel structure of your screen, which is crucial for crisp, sharp visuals. This feature is particularly useful for small components, guaranteeing precise placement for optimal clarity and visual quality. Understanding how to activate and utilize this grid can significantly enhance the professionalism and aesthetic quality of your designs. To begin, with your Figma design file already open, direct your attention to the very top left corner of your interface. You'll find the distinctive Figma logo situated there. This logo isn't just a brand identifier. It acts as the main menu access point for the entire application, functioning similarly to a file menu you might find in other software. It's your gateway to general settings, file operations, and various display options that control your workspace. Go ahead and click directly on this Figma logo. A comprehensive drop-down menu will then appear, presenting you with a wide range of options, everything from managing your files to accessing plugins, and importantly for us, controlling your display settings. This menu serves as your central hub for controlling many fundamental aspects of your Figma environment. Within this newly revealed drop-down menu, you'll need to locate and select the option clearly labeled View. The View menu is specifically designed to manage how various elements and visual aids are displayed on your canvas. It controls things like rulers, layout grids, guides, and, crucially, the pixel grid itself. This menu allows you to customize your workspace to suit different design tasks, providing the flexibility to show or hide visual helpers as needed. Selecting View will open a secondary submenu, presenting you with even more specific display controls that refine what you see and how you interact with your design space. This is precisely where we'll find the setting we need to activate the pixel grid. Now, in the View submenu that has just appeared, simply look for and click on the option titled Pixel Grid. Once activated, you might not observe an immediate dramatic change on your canvas, especially if you're currently zoomed out. However, as you begin to zoom into your canvas, typically beyond 800% or even 1600%, you will start to see a subtle, fine grid overlaying your design. Each tiny square within this grid represents one individual pixel. This visual guide is incredibly powerful because it enables you to snap design elements perfectly to these underlying pixel boundaries. This prevents common issues like blurry edges or fractional pixel placements, which can significantly degrade design sharpness and clarity, particularly critical in web and mobile interfaces.